everyone, my name's Nicole and welcome to episode 1 of Nicole's Notes. Today we're going to be talking about why it matters to like your job. We're going to talk about how liking your job can impact your health, your overall life, professional growth, and we'll leave you with a lasting question for you to consider after this episode. All right, when we talk about why it's important to like your job, health is the first thing that comes to mind. If you go to a job that you do not like or that causes you stress, that can have drastic effects, not only on your physical health, but on your mental and emotional health. You don't want to look like sad, grumpy face over here. You don't want to wake up, dread the thought of going to work, working 7 to 9 hours, only to come home, go to sleep, and do that cycle all over again. When you don't like your job, that also translates back to your home life. So when you come home, you're upset or you just had a really tough day over and over again, those emotions can affect your relationships with your partners, your children, even your pets. And when you spend all of your time at a job that you do not like, where's the fun? You don't have fun with coworkers, you don't have fun doing what you're supposed to love doing for your career, and you might not have enough energy or excitement after you get home to have fun outside of work either. So while your health may be affected, your professional growth may also suffer the consequences. Oh wow, professional growth. How will your professional growth be affected, you ask? Well, let's see. First of all, if you go to a job that you really do not like or enjoy, that will show through the work that you do, whether it's through interactions with management or colleagues or even clients. That's going to show anybody that your heart's really not in it. And when you don't like the job that you currently work for, you don't have a motivation to grow. Why would you want to continue putting in effort when going to work is the last thing that you want to do? And finally, you can lose out on opportunities. If people who you work with or work for see that you aren't enjoying the work that you're doing, they might not be as inclined to offer you opportunities for professional growth, whether that be other larger jobs where more commission can be made, management or professional growth opportunities, and worst case scenario, that dislike of your job might be perceived as a bad attitude and cause you to lose that profession. So, what happens when you do like your job, you might ask? Well, when you like your job, you're going to be happier, and that's going to show when you go to the job site. Your colleagues are going to notice that you're more enjoyable to be around. Management's going to notice that you have more lust and excitement for what you're doing, and clients are going to notice the vivacity for which you do your job. You're going to take that energy back home to your family, and you might notice that those relationships are enhanced because of that. No arguing, no more anger, maybe no more built-up resentment from that job is pulling back to your home life. Instead, you, your friends and family are having fun, whether that's sports, outdoor recreations, going on vacations, or just spending time together. So, when you're asking yourself, do I like my job? It's important to consider all of the aspects that we talked about in today's episode. So, thank you so much for joining me. And before we go, what's one area of your work life that could be more enjoyable? Thanks for joining us for Nicole's Notes. We'll see you again next episode.